We live in a time where people have the courage to question things. You know, people are beginning to really stand up in terms of challenging things, challenging the ways that we've always done things.
There are so many incredible people in engineering, and especially all the women that were here this evening. It was so nice, it was so empowering and uplifting. And yeah, it was really positive, like thinking about the changes that have been made already and are continue to be made.
And that's why the work of She Can Engineer and others is so important. We really need to start raising aspirations and breaking down stereotypes from a very early age. You know, getting out there into primary schools, making sure that any young person, whatever their background, knows that an engineer can look and sound like them.
We can't do it alone as engineers. We have to work with marketing professionals, activists, poets, artists, financial professionals, others, because where we are right now, it's a societal problem, it's an environmental problem, so as long as we keep people and planet at the heart of everything, we can't go wrong.
I think it just really showed how much experience, knowledge, capability is in the women in engineering community, and how do you get it out to more people so that they can really get involved. I think that's the key for next steps.
Starting change from a small angle, if you can help one person's life and then try to ripple effect that.
You can solve really hard problems with engineering and it's great. But the thing that I really love, the thing that kind of makes it jump out even more than that, is using that for good.
And creativity knows no gender. Creativity comes from everywhere.